What's up guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to install and set up the Epic Games Launcher on your Mac. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. While using your Mac, open up your browser of choice and navigate to store.epicgames.com. On this page, select to download the Epic Games Launcher for your Mac. The download should only take a couple of seconds and your browser can help you locate your downloaded files. Double-click the Epic Games installer and drag and drop the Epic Games Launcher app into your Applications folder. This may take a couple of seconds to complete. When this is done, you can delete the installer file from your desktop and open up your Finder. From the Applications section, open up the Epic Games Launcher. In case you're unable to open apps and files downloaded from the internet, then open up your system settings. In the Privacy and Security section, make sure to set the Allow Applications Download From option to Anywhere. You may have to relaunch the application to open it up. After downloading the latest update, you're required to log in with your account credentials or create a new Epic Games account if you don't have one. When this is done, the launcher will open up. Click on your account on the top right and select Settings. I prefer to disable the Run in Background option, as I don't use the Epic Games Launcher a lot and I don't want it to be running all of the time. Below, enable the Allow installs while editors are running, enable cloud saves, and throttle downloads option. I like to limit my download bandwidth for the Epic Games Launcher to prevent other apps from having network-related issues while the launcher is running. I will cap my download speed to 5000 kilobytes per second. Next, I prefer to disable desktop notifications for games and news. When you're done tweaking your Epic Games settings, head back to your game library and, on the right-hand side, you can filter your library by platform. Select macOS to see all games that are available to play on your Mac. In case you have any further issues or problems following this tutorial, then I suggest following my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.